tropical forest is a beautiful place full of green. The air and environment are sparkling clean. A little long-haired hare lives there. His name is Honey. He has a vegetable patch of his own, which he cares for tenderly. He wants to grow the tastiest vegetables in the whole forest. When lunchtime comes, he pulls out a fresh carrot and feasts on it, enjoying its wonderful taste. But everything changed one night when Honey was in bed fast asleep. The next morning, when it was time to treat himself to a sweet carrot, Honey noticed something disgraceful. Someone with very bad manners had thrown a candy wrapper right into his vegetable patch. Honey was even more astounded when he saw that there were 100 more wrappers laying all around. After a moment's thought, he decided to follow the garbage train, certain it would lead him straight to the rascal. The trail led him to a big tree with a huge pile of wrappers towering below it. Hi, hey, who is throwing around garbage so shamelessly? Honey exclaimed in disappointment. The hare looked up and saw the answer just above his head. On a branch of the big tree sat an ill-mannered monkey. The monkey was gobbling candy and throwing the wrappers on the ground without a care. Hey, you! Why are you littering in our forest? Stop it right away, cried Honey indignantly at the monkey. Having been discovered, the monkey took fright. He turned tail and ran as fast as he could, forgetting all about the candy. The monkey jumped so skillfully among the trees the hare couldn't catch up. However, being quite frightened, the monkey lost control of the ground and fell head over heels down towards the ground until he got caught in a tangle of vine and branches. He tried to free himself, but there was no one around to give him a hand. The monkey lost all hope when suddenly Honey appeared from behind the tree. He approached and asked, "Hey, monkey, why do you have such bad manners? Why do you think you can throw garbage all around this way?" The monkey had nothing to say, so he simply looked away ashamed. "Okay, don't worry," said Honey, relenting. "I will set you free. Everything's going to be alright." He helped the monkey get down to the ground and up. "Now, will you be so kind as to clean up after yourself?" Oh, how embarrassed the monkey felt. He didn't utter a word and got down to work. He cleaned everything up to the last piece until the fresh looked the same as, and Honey could again enjoy his carrots in a neat vegetable patch alongside a now well mannered